Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add arrow in PowerPoint. We start by opening PowerPoint. Next, we will go to the Insert menu and then click on Shapes. We will see that it opens a drop-down menu with multiple shapes. In this case, we will look at the Lines or Block Arrows section where we will see different types of arrows. We can click on one to insert it. To insert the arrow, we are going to hold down on the point that will be the beginning of the arrow and drag to the point that will be the end of the arrow and release. You can also click directly to generate the arrow. If you want the arrow to be made with specific angles, hold down the Shift key while creating it. We will see that our arrow has been created. If you want to change the appearance, you can right-click on it and enter Format Shape. Here you have options such as thickness, shadow, or choosing the type of arrow at the beginning and end. Apply the changes when you finish. Finally, if you want to change its layout, you also have styling options at the top in the Shape Format panel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.